Referencing your rig in Blender is a little bit different than Maya, so I'll walk you through the process. First, you need to go up to File, and you'll see two options here. There's Link, which is like referencing, and Append, which is like importing. Now, personally, I've had issues with Link, so I'm going to choose Append. And then you need to navigate to wherever your rig is stored on your computer. And then instead of double clicking on your .ma file like in Maya and you're good to go, if you do it in Blender, you'll get all these other subfolders, which is confusing. But basically you need to go to Collection. This is where the riggers will place the files you need. And then you'll see there are a bunch of different ones. So honestly, I found it's a little trial and error to figure out which are the ones you actually need. But for me, I just need this master one. So I'll go ahead and click Append. And you'll see that the rig is now in my scene. Now I can't quite animate her. You'll see how the manipulator is down at the bottom. So that is because I am in object mode. To switch to pose mode, I need to select one of the NURBS curves essentially, and then go to pose mode, and you'll see the colors change, and now I can, rotate. And if you're unable to switch to pose mode, for me, I have found that there have been two issues. One is simply that the rig is not compatible with whatever Blender version I'm using. So I'm using 4.0. If there's a rig that was made for 3.8, it's not going to work in 4.0. And then also I've found that linking sometimes for some reason won't allow me to switch, but pending the rig does. So give that a try if you're having some issues. I hope that's helpful for you, and as always, happy animating!